Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. Again, I don't know when this video is going to be up because I'm behind on showing videos. But this is the letterpress plates for $4.99, 219-7041. And again, you can impress it into your paper just like this. So it's kind of like embossing, but it's with ink. And you can use the Evolution, which I do have. These are the plates that go along with it. And the number is 219-7041. It's by We Are Memory Keepers. So it was a lot of We Are Memory Keepers, not We Are Memory Keepers, but a lot of Cricut this week too. And I did pick this up, my greeting card organizer. I did pick it up initially, thinking about maybe my aunt, but I think I might keep it for myself. And but I'm going to see if I can find another one. 2171442. Because she has a system, but I don't know, I may give it to her, I'm not sure. But it was $3.99, and it has a spiral binding, and the pockets, I gusseted it. And so you can put several cards in there, and it has the dates, you know, for each 2 pages worth of dates for birthdays. So, or important dates or whatever that you want to record. So it has some room for expansion. And that was $3.99, so I don't know. I may give it to her. I asked, but I thought she had some kind of, but I didn't double check. Then I did pick up the extra large scraper for $5.99 at 2201499. And this is to scrape things off of the map. May or may not keep this. I probably won't really use it, but I'm not sure. Depends on, you know, you're doing vinyl, but you can also use this in mixed media. I have the extra large one bone folder, but this is a scraper. I did pick up a couple dies, which I'm upset with myself because I just knew I had picked the one that says Toda with the young lady on. I don't know why I don't have it, but I looked at my receipt and I didn't pay for it, and I had it in my hand, so I don't know what I did. I must have dropped it and put it down when I was taking photos of stuff. But this is Jane Davenport, 219-6169 for $5.99. Then I had opportunity to buy it in another store with my crafting buddies. I was like, oh no, go ahead and get it because I already got it. Because I picked it up and I gave it to one of them. But that's what that looks like. This is a 3-piece die set. I did only get this, the mason jar one. I like the stamps and the little tags. And this has been out for a while, but I did decide to get it. 2140821 for $4.99. This may go back, I believe. I'm torn. I know the Hello looks for me, but the other ones don't. So that's what is throwing me off. 2201494. Again, this is Cricut. This is for the Cutterbug die set. It's $8.99. A little pricey. So I'm debating if I'm gonna keep that. But like I said, Hello. I don't. The other ones, I thought I had a different set of words with my, like, miss you and something else. So I'm gonna look and check and see. But these are designed to go on a 5x7 card, so they're larger than made for A2 4¼ by 5½ size. I did get the Hooray, and I didn't get the paper. I don't know why I didn't. But I may go back and get it. They also have the cards and a lot of the ephemera, the puppy stickers and the flat stickers and all of that as well to go with this collection. 215-6885 for $1.99, 40-piece ephemera. I picked up 2 of the lickety slippers by Basil. 217-8824. What these are, you know, they all go into a scrapbook. This is 8x8, or you can just use it in a photo album, but it's 8x8 size. And so you have 3 of the 8x8s, and you got these folded ones. You got like 2 of each one of these other ones that you can fit into your album. So it's just little ways to add little inserts and excitement to your layouts, whether you're doing it like as a project life type of thing or whatever, but you can just fold these out and add them to them, or if you got scrapbook pages. So I did get 2 sets of those. It was only $1.99. So and you get how many in here? So 10 in each pack. 217-8824. They had 2 of the Heidi Swap glue pens, the bold tip and the skinny tip, and I decided to try the skinny tip, the fine tip rather. I haven't used hers before, but you know, I like to try out different fine tips. And it was $2.49, 218-4960. It says glue reactive mink foil, so maybe this is only for the mink foil, and if it is, then I can take it back. I don't need it for that. Add 4 flakes glitter or other special finishes. We'll see. I mean, I can use it for that. I do have that stuff to use it. I already own this. But I'm missing some of my pieces at the moment. And I know they're in my craft room, and I'm not going to open this yet until I clean my craft room, because I've been all day scrapping and to crop and stuff, and I got stuff misplaced. So before I open this up, I'll make sure I find mine. If I don't find it, then I'm going to keep this. 220-1497. This came with my Cricut Air when I first got it 2 years ago, whatever it was, 3 years ago. And also, in case you don't know, I don't know when this video is going to be up, probably be late, but they have the Cricut Air at Tuesday morning. So anyway, nice tool set to have. And I did find this magnetic plate. And of course, this is a 6x8. And this is 220-1486, and you can use this in your cutter book. And it was $7.99. And also, you can use it in other machines. You just got to make sure the sandwich fits. But it's nice to have a magnetic plate, whether you're using it to cut with or just to leave your dies laying on it. Although I have the diamond, the magnetic diamond that I got from Tuesday morning by Sizzix, I think it was. But this is a nice one, big size surface area you can have on your desk to collect dies as well. And then I got this 3-piece 7x8 stencil set by Jane Davenport. It says Good Face, 219-6167. So these are her stencils. And those are the 3 right there. So that concludes my haul. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.